Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Uche. In today's video, we'll be talking about some of the girls you must avoid while dating them. Let me tell you, it is not every relationship that leads to marriage. There are things you will discover about your partner and you will let them go. You must not marry them. Because when you do, you see yourself suffering, you see yourself being sad all the days of your marriage. And these are listed. I have so many of them, but today we'll be talking about only 10. But then, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do go and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be the first to get the notification. Alright? Number one is any girl that tells lies. There are girls that they cannot tell you the truth. Even the good morning that comes out of their mouth, lies. So you have to avoid them. They don't tell you, even when they are guilty, they keep lying, they cannot apologize because they are full of lies. But when you don't lie, when you sin as a person, when you err as a being, you see yourself being sober, you apologize for being wrong. But when you are fed up with lies, you cannot even accept that you are wrong because you will always cover your errors with lies. Avoid them, guys. Then another one is a girl that disrespects people. If you are disrespectful, then tell me who is going to stay around you. You cannot respect your boyfriend's friends. You cannot respect his family, people that have been there before you, people that you see around him. You carry yourself as if you are on top of the world. You see yourself as queen of the earth. Please, guys, avoid such girls that don't respect you. Such girls will go a long way disrespecting you, even in front of your friends. They will abuse you, they will rubbish you, they will insult you because they lack manners, they lack respect. And when a girl starts disrespecting you, now tell me what your friends are going to do. Tell me what your family members are going to do. You see your elder or your younger sisters seeing a girl they are older and disrespecting you. My brother, that respect don't go. So you have to avoid such girls that lack respect. They cannot change. DNA, it doesn't lie. All right, let's quickly go over to number 3. A girl that is bitter. A girl that feels bitterness. She's full of bitterness. She doesn't smile. Whenever she even tries to smile with people, maybe cracked a joke so much that people are laughing out there. You see her, she doesn't laugh like from her heart. Avoid such girl. She can never give you peace because she's fed up with bitterness. She's fed up with sadness. She's just paranoid. Everything around her. In fact, she hates everything, including people she sees around her. If it is not her, then the thing is hated automatically. Then, another point, number 4 point is a girl that is materialistic. You can say that again. There are girls out there, the only thing they know is extortion. They are dating you today because they have heard how many girls you have helped, how many girls you have sponsored, how many girls you have given millions to. That is why you see them forming love. I love you, I love you. Immediately you say, yeah, you look good, I love you. You see them forming all sorts of love for you because they have heard so many girls out there you have helped, maybe out of Obiomangwa, you know. But then you have to avoid such girls because they are coming into your life just because of what they can get from you. And when you stop giving them, my brother, you see them changing it overnight. They go change out for you because they don't love you. They don't have any feelings for you. They are coming because of what they can get from you. Another girl you should avoid, number 5, is any girl with lower IQ. I am not saying that if you're not intelligent, a guy should not go to you or go for you or propose to you. But then, what I mean by low IQ, okay, now let me explain. There are girls, no matter how you explain yourself, they don't understand. They find it difficult to understand. They find it difficult to be on the same page with it. Okay, let me now say, if you are the kind of person that is always specific, you just want this to be like this, avoid any girl that is not on the same page with you. Academically, if she's not there and you've tried your best to lift her to where she can understand you or where you can understand or pick up from there, she doesn't move an inch, my dear, avoid. Any girl that finds it difficult to understand situation. You're explaining to her that you don't have money is a problem. You're explaining to her, or even when you have problems in your business, she doesn't have anything to offer to lift your business or to advise you, to give you. You know, there are things a woman is a helpmate. So if you are not there to help or lift your man, then you don't deserve such a man. So always look for a girl that can lift you in your business, that can think the way you think, that can always help, or even think faster than you do, to lift you. Not a girl that is, we call them sit down they eat or sit down they look. Whatever you say, that's what you be. I want to do this, now if it's good for you, she cannot contribute nothing. Please, brother, avoid, because if you're not there, that means your children will suffer. Always go for a girl that when you are not there, she will always replace you. She can always do that which you always do. She might not do it 100%, but at least 70 to 80 is cool. Now, let's go over to another set of girl that you should avoid as a man. Number 6, any girl that feels that the world revolves around her. She always, always there parading herself, carrying herself for her to be seen by you, to tell you how beautiful she is. She will dress, she will fling her hair, she will be like that. Every time she's glued to the mirror looking at herself, everything revolves around her. Anything she needs, you must provide it. Whether you have or you don't have, you must solve her problems. Even if you're telling her the kind of problems you're facing, or maybe things you have to settle first, you have to tackle first before you now solve her own problems. No, she doesn't want to hear, because she feels you owe her, because she feels she's entitled, maybe entitled of your love. You must love her. She feels you must do certain things for her, and she feels that you must marry her. That is why you say, please, my brother, I don't want to go there into this particular point. Avoid such girls that feel that they are on top of the world, that nothing matters except them. Avoid them. They are slayers, but have got nothing to offer you. When you fall, they cannot raise you. All right. Now, another girl you should avoid totally as a man is a girl that solidly depends on you for even her panties. I know that many guys will be like, of course I should be providing for what I am not disputing that fact, but a girl should always struggle. Do her things, buy her things, do 1 or 2 businesses, no matter how little. The only thing you have to do as a boyfriend is to support. You give her, of course you should give. I am not saying that you shouldn't give your girlfriend. Get it? Hence you are dating a girl, whatever that comes up and she tells you, always be there to support her. But then when she solidly depends on you for even panties, even recharge card, whatever she wants to do, you must give it to her. My brother, flee. Now you are standing, walking with your 2 legs. Because there are dry seasons in a man's life. There are days you will always look at your wife and say, honey, can you please lend me 1 million naira? And if she cannot lend you the 1 million naira, my brother, you are in trouble. But I'm not saying that it must be 1 million naira. But there are certain fees, there are certain things a wife or girlfriend should do for you. But she depending on you for everything. She doesn't do nothing. Even when you try to lift her via business, maybe opening a business for her or helping her in her ongoing business or ideology or whatever you feel she wants to do, and you see it, she's not handling it. Maybe after 1 or 2 times you see her collapsing, the business collapsing, or rather, or maybe she doesn't exceed this limit. Even after your help, she just believes because you give her parents will come from home, you will provide. Her brothers will have problems, you will provide. Everything around her depends on you. My brother, now die you man die you. You will not last when you carry such a burden because you've got a whole family. All right, another girl that you should also avoid while dating is a desperate chick. Any girl that is desperate, my brother, let me tell you, she can do anything. She's desperate either to have you or quest for material things. She's desperate to have you. She wants to marry you by in fact, she wouldn't mind taking in for you. She wants to get pregnant to tie you down because she's desperate. She can even use juju to tie you down because she is desperate. Such desperate girls have got no character. The ones I have listed already, you check their characters. They are disrespectful, they tell lies, they are bitter, they've searched around, they are not good enough. They know very well that they've got no character. You see them being desperate. But when you are good, my sister, when you are good as a girl, when you know that maybe you might not be 100% perfect, but you are good, you're good to go. You go they do shakara for man, now man not go they do shakara for you. Now man go they propose. Even when you are pregnant for a man will be begging you, please, honey, don't do this. Even if I don't have money, please keep it for me. But a desperate girl that have got no character, you will see her thinking that she's going to use pregnancy to tie a man down. Oh, my sister, you will end up being a baby mama. And that is the good news for you. So, my brothers, if you see such girl that is so desperate to marry you, if you talk one, she go talk the other one, so I no fit for you to marry me. Sister, no be you go propose. Now your character go make man propose to you. Now, to the next level. Another one is a girl that is not accommodating. There are girls out there, even your friends, you just met her. Your friends have been there. They don't accommodate your friends. When they see them, you see them wearing ugly faces, tying their faces. They don't smile with them. I'm not saying that she should open up and maybe be like, everybody must not be like me. Oh, hello. But then you have to brighten up your face. You have to smile. You have to accommodate people. You don't know who is who. Yes, you don't know who is who. Do you know, let me not shock you as a girl. Do you know that your friends, your guys' friends, your guys' family, let me just say, if I say they have 80% authority to validate that your relationship, maybe I don't think I'm exaggerating. Because when you are bad, your friends around your guys will keep on poisoning his heart. This girl, she's not good enough. But when you are good, they will be the ones pressurizing him to marry you. It's not all about taking in for a guy. It's not all about moving in with a guy. It is your character. If a guy can date you for years and still marries you, that means you've got a good character. But a girl that has got the worst of all characters, a guy cannot even spend more than 6 months with you, even 2 months without complaining or getting tired of you. Maybe you see him in that relationship, still is because he's just there. You know, they pity you. Now, out of pity, they pity you because you don't see you say this character, or maybe because of what people have said regarding you, or you know, they pity you. Now, pity, they carry them, they go for that relationship. My sister, I'm not even talking about this. My brother, please, flee from such relationship. Now, another thing is a girl that is very, very lazy. I think we will stop here. This is the 10th. Yes, if I'm not mistaken. Any girl that is very lazy cannot cook. When you tell her to cook, she frowns her face. Imagine a girl living with a boyfriend or visiting a boyfriend, spending weeks. You cannot cook for your boyfriend. And whenever he tells you to cook, you frown your face. You want another person to cook for you to eat. You want your boyfriend to always go in the kitchen to cook for you. That means something is wrong with you. Such girls that are lazy, they cannot wash their clothes. Such girls that are lazy, they might be beautiful out there, you know, they can take their clothing to the dry cleaners and all that, and when you look at it, you'll be like, this one looks good. But follow her home, my brother. You cannot eat anything coming from her kitchen. Any girl that is lazy, brother, my beloved brother, you have to avoid them. Like I've listed 10 of the characters you should avoid in your relationship. When you see your girlfriend crawling into all these that I've listed, my brother, the best thing you have to do for yourself to save yourself from future heartbreak and pain and regrets is to avoid totally. There is no harm in telling a girl it's over. There are guys that are trapped in toxic relationships that they are already tired of, but because they are scared of saying it's over, they feel pity. By then, you cannot carry such pity to your. When you marry such girls, you don't go marry them, you don't go marry them. Before you know it, such girls are manipulative. They'll go carry pregnancy, tie you down. They can carry one thing or juju, tie you down. You don't go marry, you don't go marry. Before you know, you don't bundle her into your home. then a cry for help becomes your name. All right, thanks a lot for being part of this program. All right, stay tuned until we post another video that is coming up. Very interesting one. I'm not going to leak the name until we see them. Stay tuned. I am still Uche. Moment with Uche. God bless you all for being part of this program. I love you all.